Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain the SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB gaming keyboard. This keyboard is built for durability, featuring IP32 water and dust resistance to protect against accidental spills. Its whisper-quiet gaming switches are designed for over 20 million key presses, ensuring long-lasting performance. You also get vibrant 10-zone RGB illumination, allowing for personalized lighting effects. Plus, a premium magnetic wrist rest provides excellent comfort during extended use. The Apex 3 delivers a comfortable and quiet typing experience thanks to its unique whisper-quiet membrane switches. These low-friction switches ensure nearly silent use, perfect for late-night gaming sessions. For gamers, it includes gaming-grade anti-ghosting, ensuring every command registers accurately. Additionally, dedicated multimedia controls, including a clickable metal roller, allow you to easily adjust volume and media settings without interrupting your game. This keyboard boasts a high-quality polymer frame, contributing to its sturdy and durable construction. The IP32 water and dust resistance rating provides peace of mind against everyday accidents. Its premium magnetic wrist rest easily attaches, offering full palm support and a soft touch finish for enhanced comfort. Furthermore, the clever three-way cable routing system helps keep your desk organized by allowing you to choose the cable's exit point. Unlock the full potential of your Apex 3 with the SteelSeries GG software, enabling extensive customization of lighting and key bindings. The 10-zone RGB illumination allows you to create stunning visual effects to match your setup. You can also program macros to various keys, giving you an edge in games. Overall, this keyboard offers a robust feature set and impressive durability, making it an excellent and affordable choice for any gamer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.